Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's Steve. Today I have a quick unboxing I'm going to do for you guys. I am going to be unboxing this new clip that I bought for my camera. So I'm going hiking over the weekend and I didn't want to take my entire bag. And I don't like over the neck like harnesses. I don't want to carry my camera in my hand all the time. So I was trying to figure out a different way where I could have just my hiking bag on while I carry my camera maybe somewhere else. And I found this cool item online. It's called the Peak Design Capture Camera Clip. And as you see in the picture, you can just snip it right on to your bag. Like it'll clip right on in the front and it'll hang just like that. So I could have my bag on my back and I'll have my camera right on my chest. And the way I have it now is I do have a clip on here, as you can see, but this is my hand clip. So that just like clips on, and right there it just hangs from my hand, so I can't drop it. And I like this rather than having also a strap around my neck. And I could link this in the description below. I think I have a review or an unboxing on this too, but I got this on Amazon. Let me just take this off. And like I said, this is just going to be an unboxing. I'm not going to put it on yet. I'll obviously have to take this piece off and this piece off here and then clip that on. But since I'm going hiking tomorrow, maybe I'll just take some pictures of it on me. And then I'll do a review maybe in the coming days. So again, this is the Peak Capture Camera Clip. Camera Carry System. All right. So let's see how to open it. I guarantee you there's an... Oh, there we go. Oh, I didn't know the window opens in the front so you could get a good look at it right there. So it has the piece that clips and the piece that goes under in the thread. Let's see. It says works on all size cameras, fits on any belt strap as long as it's 2.5 inches wide. I guess that's the max, 2.5. That's pretty big. I think most bags are probably under that, unless it's like a heavy-duty knapsack or something. It lets you carry your camera with your lens. Ideal for outdoor travel, sports, studio, wedding photography. So that's all right in here. And let's see what is the easiest way to open this. I don't have my knife on me right now, so... I guess these are the instructions, so I'm gonna have to rip this off. There we go. Okay, what do we have? This is not. All right, attached to the box are the instructions. So that will let you know how to work it. So it comes with the instructions. It looks like the plate, and let me get this off of here. Here's the bottom plate right there. So it looks like this just screws into the bottom of your camera. And then the clip is, whoa, the clip is here. And to be honest, I have no idea how this works. Let's look. So this goes into the bottom, and that leaves this opening. Oh. I guess it goes in here somehow. And then you have to tighten it. Well, I'll have to look through this, and maybe I'll do a how-to video on how to put this together. It's literally 2 pieces, and this is not like super intuitive to put it together. And it also comes with a little pouch. That's cool. It feels like there's something in there too. What is in the pouch? Probably like that silicone. Yep. That's what it is. We have a QR code. Hopefully it's not for free stuff, because if I don't scan this before you see this video, people could steal it. It says Oh, this is for the warranty. What else? Oh, like I need any more of these in my life. I literally just cleaned yesterday. I have like 10 of these things. And it says, use me for a secure connection. So I will use you. And then this little bag. So let's see what's inside here. Oh, okay. So this comes with, oh, just 2 extra screws. So that's good. Yeah. So those come in a little pouch. All right. Well, that is my clip. That is my Peak Design Capture Camera Clip version 3, black with plate. And yeah, this box is gonna have to go in the garbage. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. It's the clip, the attachment, the case, the screwdriver, and extra screws. So I'm gonna have to try to get this on before I leave, so I'm not struggling tomorrow. And that's pretty much all. Let me know what you think. If you own this already, I would love to hear what you think about it. If you've used it, just let me know if it works for you. Like I said, again, I'm using it for the Sony a7 III mirrorless camera. So it's a mid-size. It's not as small as like the Canon M50, and it's not as big as some of the higher end cameras. So I feel like it'll be perfect for this. And that's about it. It's Friday, guys. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace, guys.